It is a particular topic like product based price, promotion, segmentation, targeting and positioning and marketing research and consumer behavior. But as a specialization in marketing, then one particular topic is taught as a subject, that is consumer behavior. Just gives importance and relevance of this particular subject, because until unless a marketer don't know about his customer, they would not make the product or services accordingly. या वो दिख रहा है, वो दे दो, इस काम पर। हाँ, हाँ guys, ये। The most important part of the marketing effort is what? Consumer behavior. So, consumer means to ultimately utilize anything that is offered, and behavior is what? Behavior is what? Reaction or habits. For defining behavior, you have to keep only two things in your mind. That means receive and response. You receive something by your sensuous organs and response again by your sensuous organs. Consumer behavior is very necessary to be studied by the marketer. So it is said that marketing precedes production. Marketing precedes production. Before you plan to make something, you must know for whom you are going to make. Because action would be facilitated only when. So, response means what? What you have thought that you have planned to offer. What kind of response that you will receive from the consumer. And stimulus is given in the form of the promotional activity. And it is a common thing that you yourself is knowing it, that first some thoughts comes to your mind, then only action. Thought follows the action. This thought is what? It is a stimulus. Either it comes from your internal or from the external. If it comes from the internal, it is what? Need. And if it is induced by some other efforts, it induces your willingness, that means want. So any stimulus given by the marketer that you receive, make what? Oriented yourself towards its action, that means your purchase behavior. So, how and why, under what circumstances a marketer studies the human mind? Behavior comes from your thought takes place in the mind. So in what way, what kind of stimulus is given in the form of the promotion, and what sort of response that the customer make towards the marketing offering? It is studied into the consumer behavior. Now to understand the behavior, there are four factors. One is the cultural, another one is the social. This is what people have already studied. Third one very easy, demographical, and fourth one is the psychological. Nowadays, so many new concepts that has come into the market. If you are come aware about these things, only by the good books, because majority of the big books in India are written as per the syllabus prescribed in the universities. But some textbooks written in the overseas or some other nations, they are having so many other things apart from the syllabus which is prescribed here in the Indian universities. You know what is neuromarketing, holistic marketing, interactive marketing, green marketing. You have seen that there was a subject that is known as biology, study of life. It means what? Zoology and botany. Now biotechnology, bioinformatics, chemistry. It means what? They are the specialized. So, this culture plays a very important role because when you study the subject international marketing, that means you are making a product which would be offered to the another say country people. So what kind of culture, whether they allow you to make the response accordingly or not. So firstly you have to understand what is a culture. Culture is what? In a simple way or in a complicated way. Culture is what?
Belief and value. Belief and value.
Belief, value and our surroundings.
Rituals, custom.
You add as per the Shipman book, consumer behavior by Shipman. You add one more thing. It is all about culture. The beliefs, the value and the customs. One more thing that you have to say add into it, learn. Because as a member of the society, something is taught to you by the environment in which you are born. And you are made to learn by others or not. You know? These all the things is inserted in human mind by the people that are found around and they have been learning. Okay? It includes all the things. And some complicated way is also given by the Greek hospital. That you find something more. Belief means what? Need not to make any say stress in your mind in explaining belief. Simply what I believe. I believe in this. It means what? Two things. First one is what? The knowledge, and second one is the assessment. It is the knowledge and assessment that you have about something. It is your belief or not. Knowledge means knowing. Although the word knowledge means very, say, examination हो गया
रिसीव मार्केटिंग है ठीक है हां एग्जामिनेशन
marketing ends with the customer satisfaction. Knowledge. That means something you are knowing, and the assessment. Assessment means what? There are only two parameters of assessment. Either good or bad. Either right or wrong. So, it is known as the belief. Religious beliefs are what? You consider something right, another member of that religion consider it is wrong. And this all right and wrong helps in making your judgment. Value is what? Judgment. It is a judgment. Judgment is also of two kinds, right or wrong. That means something you believe, then only you judge it. Customs means what?
Customs, whatever traditional things we follow, which are came from very long period of time. Traditionally accepted.
Yes. You are bound to make various reactions as per the various situations that may counter. But there are so many rituals in which you are participating without your willingness. Because as a member of the society, you are bound to take part into it. That means those decisions as per the situation which you make, for which you need not to make the efforts. You become a part of it. If you are going to take part into some marriage ceremony, you prepare yourself. The preparation would be done by the bride and bridegroom while others are preparing. It is a custom or not? Because celebrating a marriage is a joy. So to celebrate the joy with the good thing that you have. And you get accustomed. Custom means that you get accustomed by the rigorous practice that you are making since last so many years. That is the tradition. Okay. So one philosophy of culture says that it is simply learned beliefs, value and custom which a person exhibit in his action as a member of society. Okay. But Greek Hospit is a renowned person in this cultural determinants. He is having a particular book, and anywhere when you study this particular cultural part, you cannot ignore the contribution of this particular person, Swedish person. So what he said, that culture is a complex that includes knowledge, beliefs, custom, morale, language, aesthetics. Knowledge, beliefs, custom, morale, language, aesthetics and other habitats which a person acquires from the society and exhibit in his behavior. Knowledge, this is what we have studied. Belief, this is what we have studied. Custom, this is what we have studied. He has added 3 more things. That means moral. Moral means what? What is right, what is wrong. Accepted by the society as a member, not by the law. Not by the law. And every moral principle comes from where? From the ethics. And ethics comes from where? From the religion. This is how the moral principle in the society made. It comes from the ethics. सदाचार आता है नीति से, नीति आती है धर्म से, धर्म तो बताता है. As a member of the society, if you are following a religion, you see that majority of your action is according to the that religious belief or not. So here is added one more thing. Language means what? Language plays a very important role in communication. And if you are not communicating properly, what happened? In the subject of marketing, various hazardous effects can be made, and it is given in the so many books. You have seen that in India there is a Diet Coke. Diet Coke means Coke that contains less calorie, है ना? But this same word is used into the French, and in French diet means what? The person of the poor family. So they were above that, nobody is willing to purchase Diet Coke. What has happened? So they tried to know this was the reason. You know, Barbie girl, Barbie doll, it is made by the Metal Corporation of USA. And enormous sale is made in the US as well as in the Japan. Japanese are the very admirer of the United States of America. Why? Because after World War II, it was the American who has helped the Japanese to build up such kind of economic development. It was all due to the Americans. They have taught and changed their fooding system. They have changed their economic structure, everything. So, Japanese girls have also purchased metal corporations, Barbie doll. But after that, in USA, the same metal corporation have introduced cane. Cane as a brother of Barbie doll. Okay, so every child of the USA have purchased cane because it is a boyfriend of whom? Barbie doll. But no cane was sold into the Japan. They try to know what are the cultural differences so that we have to do this thing, but it is not accepted. So they come to know that Japanese system, every girl must have his brother, not the boyfriend. So again the cane was introduced as a mark, brother of Barbie doll, and again it was massive sold. So these are the differences based upon the culture. So many things can be taught. You know that in the month of Ramzan, you can't make any business association with the Muslim countries. So, language. Aesthetics means the science of beauty. It also a typical part of a particular society. What kind of beauty that you visualize as a member of the society in a particular culture. Okay. Now, if you go deeply How culture is transmitted among the member of the society? How culture is transmitted in the member of society? Culture is learned, culture is shared, and culture is interrelated. Learn to know, firstly from the family, then educational institution, then profession. Share means what? You share with the other. Here this term interrelated means what? Different cultural elements, they interrelate with each other because as a human beings, you are bound to take part in the same kind of activity of earning money, spending money, enjoying the rituals. So how they are interrelated? Majority of the determinants of cultures are interrelated. You celebrate a marriage, a Muslim celebrate a marriage, a Sikh celebrate a marriage. Their tradition will be different, but at last you are doing the marriage, and marriage is a matter of joy. So, if a matter of joy, it should be backed with the good food. Good food or not? So, whether you take part into the Muslim family's marriage or Hindu or Sikh or anybody else, it is a matter of enjoyment, and it should be backed with the good food, good dress, good thing, everything. So, it is common or not? This is about it. Now one more thing related to the culture, that if you pursue your research in this particular area, various topics are there. Now, various manifestations of the culture. Manifestations of the culture. Manifestation means how determinants of culture are exhibited in the society, which help the marketer. Otherwise, on the basis of the cultural differences, you cannot make your business successful. As a marketer, you must know what are the determinants of culture that do have its bearing upon the human mind. Otherwise, you cannot stimulate them. First one is the material life. Material life. Second one is the social interactions. Social interactions. Third one is the language. Fourth one is the religion and faith. Religion and faith. Fifth one is the pride and prejudice. Sixth one is the ethics and mores.
Ethics and the
Mores. Niti or Sadachar. Ethics and mores. One more thing is there, but I can't remember presently. मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा. Now, have you heard this word material life? What does it mean?
related to materialistic approach जहाँ पे मैं अपनी लाइफ को मतलब कि जो डेली रिक्वायरमेंट जैसे गाड़ी
बताइए. I am not examiner who will grant marks. Material means what?
भौतिक आवश्यकता
अरे इतना मत सोचिए. Material means in the subject of chemistry or physics, material is something that is tangible, that is having height, weight, and it is not a material. But here in material means man-made things, not natural. What is man-made things?
गाड़ी
Material life means amount of time that you devote, amount of time that you devote in possession, in getting possession of those man-made things which you feel or which you anticipate that they will make your life easier, comfortable. You have seen that people who are working in the Delhi or metro cities, they don't have time. Why they don't have time? Because they are busy in their work. Why you work? For the purpose of earning money. Money is a mode of exchange. What do you exchange? Man-made things in the anticipation that they will create pleasure and peace in your life. Have you seen? That one has a certain peace by accumulating man-made things. If in the culture people are not materialistic, whether it would be able to sell these things. If you are satisfied with a particular car, you don't see the other cars are in the market, then is there any demand? No demand, no production, no projection, no demand, distribution, no employment. Then what happened? The whole economy get in the recessive stage. Recession, that means what? More and more materialistic simply means amount of time that you are ready to devote in earning money for purchasing those man-made things who are there, which are made just to create pleasure and peace in your life. So if people are not materialistic,
then there will be no marketing.
there is no economic activity. Less economic activity means less purchasing power. Then how you will market your product and services? Marketing that induces your willingness. And willingness means what? That you are ready to accept. So within a culture, you try to work hard. You have not seen after retirement some professor is coming to take classes just after learning English. What else? By doing so, you are making a qualified person not eligible to come here. Isn't it or not? Because still you are materialistic. Social interaction. This is very important one because it is social interaction from where various social thought comes in your mind and then you make yourself willing to purchase it. If you are not going to take part into the marriage, why you are layering lipstick on your lips? It means what? There are so many bonds that a person is bound to make because it is social needs. National need आगे बोलने नहीं पड़ा. Physiological need, it is very simple. It is a need that you are bound to make. But after that, social and psychological need. So culture comes from the society. Learn customs, learn beliefs, and learn these things. So social interaction is what? More and more people who interact with each other, more and more demand will be there or not? If you are a member of an elite group as a lawyer, then a large status is seen by its office, its car, and its cases that they have fought and won. A doctor means what? A good doctor having a good chamber and assistants and so many other say equipments. It is very necessary or not? So, because they have to interact within the society. More and more society which interact. You have not seen in the West, they were so solitary that this all clubs, Rotary clubs, Lions club, whether they are having this origin here into the India. They are having their origin into the West. Because if you are not become a member of the society, how you come to know that what others are doing? Social interactions. So this में PhD क्लास को 5 बजे मीटिंग में चलना है. Social language, this is what we have studied. Religion and faith, इसमें प्रार्थना क्या है? Religion is what? Who realign your thoughts. Religion means relatedness. Relatedness means what? What I am doing, another are doing the same thing. It is relatedness or not? So, if you are related with each other, what has happened? Your action is aligned towards it. Particular philosophy or particular ideology or particular way of living. Faith is what? Faith and trust, this is what I have said with you or not? First time in culture you are studying faith. Because in marketing, there is only one belief. And belief comes from where? From the belief is in between the faith and trust. Faith is what? Something you believe without any evidence. It is your faith. And something that you believe with your sensual organ. It is your trust. Okay? Belief is in between the faith and trust. So here, why it is in faith before in religion? It is the religious heart which make yourself believe without any evidence that there is an Almighty. Majority of the product are sold. ITC, company like ITC are selling what? Worship products. Because they know that it is aesthetic country. Majority of the people do have faith in the God. And how to please the God? With these good fragrances, this good smoke. Ab sochiye, ITC, do you think that it is an Indian company? How many of you are considering ITC as Indian company? ITC is a British company. Its original name is Imperial Tobacco Company. In India, it is known as the Indian Tobacco Company. Its chief, his vice is the investor since last 20 years at office in Kolkata. Now the company of the British origin is selling incense sticks. Why? Because they come to know what is the market size of these products. So many millionaires is from Kanpur city by shedding Tiranga Agarbatti and so many are. So why they are making this business? It is due to the consumer behavior, especially for the culture. It is a class of marketing that is everything how it can be achieved without assessing the market with what? Without knowing the own customer, what is willing to purchase. Now pride and prejudice. Who will decide pride and prejudice? Pride means what? You must be pride as a Hindu, you must pride as a Muslim, you must pride as an Indian. So pride means what? You have now seen in the society a majority of persons who are holding certain position, they reflect themselves distinct from the others. It is a pride or not? As in human beings, you are taught here, you have learned something on the basis of which society has granted this permission that now you serve the society. That means you have learned from the society and getting return to the society where is pride into it. But majority of people reflect this pride. Why? Because you want to evaluate yourself by the others. Nothing else. Gaurav. This बात है Gaurav. Indian होने Gaurav, Hindu होने Gaurav, and these things help a lot to the marketer in making their exchange. How? You have not hit this level, slogan, be Indian, buy Indian. Huh? Local, vocal for local. It is a what? Is a pride statement or not? Huh? So this is pride. It comes from the society, that is the culture. What is prejudice? Prejudice means false assumptions, means bhrant dharaएं. That means you hold in your mind without any fact that it is right, it is wrong. You can't prove it, but you have it in your mind. Majority of the prejudices that is born by the culture or say social forces, that is learn, made to learn to the growing child that whatever you believe is right, other belief is wrong. It is a prejudice or not? ये भ्रांत धारणा है कि नहीं है? I have seen the various mobs who are writing these slogans that हमारा सबसे अच्छा है. ये prejudice है. It also helps in selling the product. Very effectively, it is used by the marketer. That what kind of prejudices that prevails in the society, how it should be enacted, and made by the stimulant for promoting their goods and services. Ethics and more, this is what you have issued. So it is all about the cultural determinants, how culture which is learned by the society and that shapes your behavior, the way of behaving with others. Social factors, that is what you have studied. Demographical factors do not, I don't consider that it requires anything to be taught, like age, sex, education, occupation, and income. You know that all over the world, which particular country is having the highest natality? सबसे ज्यादा बर्थ रेट कहाँ है पूरी दुनिया में? चाइना को पीछे छोड़ दिया। चाइना, जापान धीरे धीरे बुद्धों का देश होता जा रहा है। इंडिया, so from the demographic characteristics, Indians are having more birth rate. Where would be the demand of the maximum baby products? Johnson & Johnson is getting maximum number of products for delivery to India, है ना? Death rate also, death rate भी भारत में कम नहीं, भैरव घाट गया नहीं। It is a customary ritual in the Hindu tradition or in the Muslim tradition that death require huge amount of money that you have to spend. So these are the demographical factors. Last one is the psychology. I know that you have studied this word which I am going to write, but I make yourself more refined. It is all you have noted that motivation, second one is the perception, third one is the learning, fourth one is the belief, fifth one is the value. These are the motivation, perception, learning, beliefs and values. First of all, you must know what is psychology. I think yesterday I was telling about the psychology. Human psychology is what? As per the subject, study of mind. But study of mind is what? Because study of brain is studied by the medical college students. Cerebellum, cerebral hemisphere, diaphragm, medulla oblongata. Study of behavior that comes from the thoughts, but it is not the psychology. Psychiatric is a branch. After a MD degree, then a psychiatry is allowed to practice. So psychiatry is what? The study of the psychic of the person. Person's psyche is different from each other. We are not alike. We are alike due to our physiological action. Whenever this human psychology comes, we are different from each other. A car passes through the particular road, you said it is a good car, someone says, a car hai. Means what? Car is the same. But according to your psyche, you are saying something positive or something negative. So how it comes? It comes due to these factors. It comes due to these factors. If really you want to study these factors and try to drag a, say, particular topic on your subject, especially for research purpose, I recommend that you please study organizational behavior by Fred Luthans. Because Fred Luthans was a psychiatrist. And you will be glad to study something from that. If you want to study consumer behavior, there is one book, Consumer Behavior by Sigman. So these are the textbooks. That means these are the benchmarks. No one particular book is better than this particular book. आप खोलिए उससे कुछ पेजेस तभी कुछ आएगा. Otherwise, every particular book is by motivation, perception, belief, learning is given. Motive is what? Something which cause movement. It is all. But when I am saying that, according to the human psychology, everyone is different from each other. So what forces that causes movement of one guy is not prevailing to the other. But as a marketer, you have to know the human psychology of the whole market. It is not a customized marketing that you make a product for a particular one. So if one we study the human psychology of a particular region, then what are the different factors that motivate you? So ultimately how a person get motivated? Because if you don't know what are the factors that motivates you, how you plan your promotional activities? You must know a hungry person is motivated if he is seen various food items. A thirsty person can be motivated if he sees various beverages. But if your stomach is full and other things are quite adequately found, then what motivates you? So there are the various hierarchy theory of motivation is given by McGregor, by Cleland and Abraham Maslow. But overall, you have to study what are the factors, how marketer use this factor in shaping the behavior so that you will try to purchase it. So this motivation comes from three things. This is what you will find only in the Seven Prithan's book. This particular thing which I am teaching, it is written only in the Prithan book. Because in motivation, you start with Abraham Maslow, need hierarchy theory, Uchi Jet theory, McGregor theory, McGregor theory. But they define the motivation by themselves or their researches. But what actually motivates? That a human being is what? A human being is an entity that is bound to be motivated for only three reasons. Isn't it or not? And it is given in Indian scriptures. It is given in Indian scripture. First one is the physiological, second one is the psychological, and third one is the spirituality. Spirituality means you try to serve the ultimate reason of existence. And this particular discipline is searched only in India. That is why the subject philosophy is a gift to world from ourselves. The basic thing that we study, that who we are, why we are here, what are the ultimate objective of our life. A human being is about to perform only on the three levels. First, the physiological level, second is the social level, and third one is the emotional level. You are alive to fulfill your these three needs. Apart from it, there is something which makes you alive. If it goes away, your body becomes an instrument without any energy. Personal. Human being is having some characteristic which is personal. Second one is what? Social. And third one was the psychological. So every human being exhibits all kinds of behaviors that ultimately come from these three things. Personal is what? As a person, what is the ultimate objective by which you move to acquire? अरे बहुत सिंपल है. फर्स्ट, हर जर्रा चमकता है हमारे इलाही से, हर सांस ये कहती है हम हैं तो खुदा भी है. हम ही नहीं रहेंगे तो खुदा कौन पूछेगा? मतलब टू मेक योर बॉडी सर्वाइव, यू आर बाउंड टू प्रिपेयर एंड गिव दिस बॉडी व्हाट? एनर्जी. Every food provides three things. First one is energy, second one is the structuring, and third one is the regulating. And that food is known as the complete. Otherwise, a poor person, child get malnutrition. एनर्जी तो आपको फैट और कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स मिल जाएगी, स्ट्रक्चर तो प्रोटीन से होगा ना, और रेगुलेशन किससे होगा? एंजाइम एंड हार्मोन से, तो वो बनता है मिनरल से, विटामिन से. ये सबका कॉमन हो गया कि नहीं हो गया? First you want to make yourself survive. So something which is essentially needed, you get motivated to them. Second one is the social. Whenever this word social comes, it means what you receive from the members around you, society. And it helps in creating only one thing, that is what? Willingness. what you believe, it is in a stimulant that is given by the society. Society means market, retailer, reference group, this is what people have stated it. That means your willingness, it is not the outcome from your own self, it is inculcated by someone else. And that is why it is said that a good human beings must have the right, must have the right of discretion. One should not lose his discretion. Discretion means vivek. Vivek means the judgment by which we make ourselves motivated what is right, what is wrong. You have seen the newspaper that a 3 years old girl is molested by a 40 years old person. It means what? It is a physiological need. They forget themselves that society do not permit it. And so physiological need means need of the animals. It is a sign of animal nature. किसी को जानवर कहना बहुत बड़ी गाली है, और नहीं. Because animal do not have any discretion to say who is mother, who is brother, who is sister, who is this. This is what you learn where? This is what you learn from the society. Your willingness should be backed with those norms which you acquire as a member of the society. And third one is the psychology. There is no personal, no social thing. This is what is the self. This is what is the self. And if you attain yourself on this particular stage, the same stage is Maslow said by the self-actualization. Self-actualization. Self-actualization means it is written by Bhagavad Gita that you are not body, you are not mind, you are enlightened soul which resides in the body. So first you satisfy your body, second is the society needs, and then only company. त्याग पूर्वक भोग के बाद नहीं भगवान किसने गीता में उन्होंने ये नहीं कहा सब कुछ छोड़ो चलो छोड़ो घर द्वार चलो हरिद्वार नहीं खाना ऐसा होता है महाभारत युद्ध क्यों होता है ये है सेल्फ. So what are the factors that is used by the marketer to entice a person as a personal need, social need or psychological? At this stage it is very difficult for a marketer to assess. The person is self-satisfied, self-actualized. You cannot make any kind of allurement to the Ratan Tata or Mukesh Ambani that you please have this car, it will enhance your personality. है ना? The majority of the time we have seen that people regulating themselves by those materialistic things, just that their right would be more and more as perceived by the others. So this is what garden information. That what are the structure of the human being. More literacy means what? More and more people come to self-stage. If you are literate means what? You know what is right, what is wrong. So it is very difficult to motivate a professor. Isn't it or not? And it is very easy to make assistant professor. अरे बच्चा है. Yes sir. ये बड़ा अच्छा शब्द है परसेप्शन. इसमें एक शब्द याद कर लीजिए, जाति रहित भावना जैसी प्रभु मुद्रण जैसी. That means you receive something according to your own way and ignore others. Ignore others. There are so many advertisements that are shown, but you remember only few of them. And you remember only few of them are those advertisements which you incline to make your decision. If you are planning to purchase a television without even noticing, when a television advertisement comes, you become more cautious. If you are willing to purchase a sari, if you see the other person's sari, you become more cautious to see that, oh, this sari is good. If you are going to see your beloved person in the hospital, what kinds of consciousness? Whether you notice that what kind of things that are going around, your consciousness towards the patient who is lying on the bed in the hospital. So stage of reception is known as the perception. How you perceive something. So इसमें वही है selective, organize, interpreting, select, organize and interpret any information into meaning. It is known as perception. how you select, organize and interpret any information into meaning. If you are not selecting any information, because consciously you are not inclined to them, so how the person is made to perceive something? And that is the reason creative advertisement is used. Have you seen any advertisement that this is a cream, it removes this thing? Can you please perceive it? ऐसा होता है क्या? 6 से 8 हफ्तों में और whosoever having a dark complexion will immediately incline to purchase that thing. It is not as well. So marketer have to make study that what are the things that would be perceived by the society, and you perceive only those things which you are lacking and you are willing to purchase it. That is a very development argument. Learning this is, you know, the basic method is learning is what? Learning is what?
Past experience.
Permanent change in behavior.
Yes, this is what 100% right. Learning is what? Permanent change in behavior. Now, how you say explain this thing, permanent change?
Continuous operation.
Permanent means what? दुनिया में कोई चीज फॉरएवर होती नहीं है, छूटा सकता है। फॉरएवर का नाम हुआ न किस में फॉरएवर कहाँ होता है? हुआ क्या? आपको मालूम है कुछ दिन बाद सूर भी नहीं रहेगा, टाइम जरूर लंबा लगेगा, फॉरएवर कोई चीज नहीं है। Permanent is simply those things which you have perceived in such a manner that you need not to make any distinction. आपको प्यास लगी तो आप पानी ढूंढते हो ना, इसमें कोई दिमाग लगाते हो क्या? बताओ। Permanent change in behavior. Behavior means receive and response. So something that you are receiving, you do not make any discussion in responding. Automatically response will be made. आपके पास जाओगे घटा लोगे ना, ये परमानेंट बिहेवियर है कि नहीं है? इसमें कंडीशनल रिफ्लेक्शन और पैवलोव एक्सपेरिमेंट वो लंबा हो जाएगा। परमानेंट चेंज इन बिहेवियर, परमानेंट इज व्हाट? Something that exists and come again and again, and you do not have to make your decision in it. If you are coming into the classroom, do you think that I have to prepare the paper and a copy and some other thing? It automatically received by yourself. Before you make to come into the class, do you have pen or paper with you or not? So, it is known as the permanent. So, how something is permanently changed? That the marketer try to know. For example, when you go to the bathroom, you require bathroom soap or not? Right? So this is what you have learned. Now listen, your permanent nature. After some time, what happened? That it is the marketer who says that your hair is made of keratin. It gets disturbed when you are using this linoleic acid. There is a shampoo. Now you will be surprised to see that in my villages, even those poor persons who are not supposed to use shampoo, when you go to Gangaji, they are having shampoo bottle. Permanent change in the behavior that if you want to wash your hair, you use shampoo. उसके बाद मार्केटर नहीं होता। No, after shampoo your keratin it requires moisturizer, conditioner. When slowly and slowly something is getting deposited in your mind in such a manner that you have not distinction and you start behaving like the stimulus given by the marketer. यही learning है। ये तो बताएगा आपको। छोटे बच्चे से कहा यहाँ है इनके पैर छुओ, कुछ दिन बाद पापा कहते हैं ये चुतिया है। ये है learning. So now Indian has learned to wash their hair by the shampoo and conditioner. Now for a new marketer, they have to make something new. Then only they will be applied. They can acquire the market share. It is not as that. And this is what you know that belief can do. So this is how a marketer assesses the kind of response that you can accept it from the marketer and they plan their stimulus accordingly. नहीं If you want to make a research into marketing, there are so many good areas. So many good areas. I am putting the example in the last because we are getting last time. A student in the last year here couldn't talk due to some rivalry of few teachers. He stood second. He is a son of a professor, not professor but teacher in the DAP college. In the very first attempt he is qualified JRF. And you know that in JRF people used to give their synopsis and then after Viva 3 times his synopsis was made cancelled. In IIT Kanpur, IIT BHU and somewhere else in the Triple IT Allahabad. Then his father came to me that after seeing this kind of thing is going on, मैंने कल भेज दी थी. इसी कल्चरल बैकग्राउंड में मैंने एक टॉपिक बताया, पूरा उसका जो है से लिखवाया, सब्जेक्ट क्वेश्चन बता दिया, व्हाट वुड बी द पजल क्वेश्चन दैट वुड बी आस्क्ड इन द क्वेश्चन. आईआईटी रुड़की में रिसर्च कर रहा है, खासकर वही क्वेश्चन पूछे, हम और कोई क्वेश्चन बनते ही नहीं. So, marketing research means what? Research related with the product, place, price and promotion. And ultimately for whom? From the consumer behavior. Your product would be of no use if it is not perceived good by the consumer behavior, customer behavior. So, this is the foundation topic in the marketing. Because marketing all about knowing, sensing, searching, serving and satisfy whom? Consumers. So consumers is initiated by these determinants. So this particular topic will make enormous topics in the market. And making research based upon the behavior is very easy as compared to the making research based on the statistics. Behavior research is very easy. You make a Likert scale, strongly agree, not agree, and your research will become. How a new product is adopted to the market, what are the steps? So there are so many topics in the marketing, from where you in a particular topic, make your topic, synopsis, and 100% it will be accepted. But that should be something new, appealing. Everybody wants innovations. All the innovations are for what? For make your life easy. All the innovation are for what? For make your life easy. That means ultimately it is to the consumers. Marketing is action, action becomes the consumer. Okay.